Think you know what's safe to eat after 60? Think again. If you're still eating the same meats you loved in your 30s, you could be silently setting yourself up for heart trouble, memory loss, or even worse in just months. Hi, I'm Dave, and welcome to Senior Health Today, your trusted source for science-backed health tips from right here in the USA. Today we're diving into a critical topic for every senior: the 4 worst meats you should never touch after 60, and the 4 best meats you need to eat daily to stay strong, sharp, and vibrant. These aren't guesses. Every fact is grounded in cutting-edge research with shocking stats that'll make you rethink your plate. Stick with us because the number 1 meat to avoid could spike your heart attack risk by 56%, while the top meat to embrace can boost your energy by 44%. Before we start, drop a comment below. What's the meat you eat most often? We're reading every single one. Let's get started. The stakes for seniors. As we age, our bodies change. After 60, your metabolism slows, your digestive system weakens, and your heart, kidneys, and brain become more vulnerable to what you eat. Meats, a staple for many, can either fuel your vitality or quietly destroy it. A 2023 study from the American Journal of Geriatrics found that poor dietary choices, especially processed meats, increase the risk of chronic diseases by 30% in seniors. The wrong meats can spike inflammation, clog arteries, and even accelerate cognitive decline. But the right ones, they rebuild muscle, sharpen your mind, and add years to your life. Let's start with the meats you need to avoid, ranked from bad to downright dangerous. Number 4. Conventional pork sausage. Kicking off our countdown is a breakfast favorite: conventional pork sausage. Found in diners across America from New York to California, these sausages are a staple in morning platters, sandwiches, and holiday feasts. But for seniors, they're a hidden health hazard. The issue isn't just the pork, it's the processing. Most supermarket sausages are loaded with nitrates and sodium, turning a simple meat into a chemical minefield. When heated or digested, nitrates and nitrites form nitrosamines, compounds classified as carcinogens by the World Health Organization. For seniors whose detox systems are less efficient, these chemicals can wreak havoc. A 2022 study in BMC Medicine tracked 20,000 seniors over a decade. Those eating pork sausage twice a week faced a 22% higher risk of colon cancer and a 17% increased chance of kidney issues. The sodium content, often 600 milligrams per serving, spikes blood pressure, stresses kidneys, and causes fluid retention, leading to swollen legs, a common complaint among older adults. Then there's the saturated fat. A single sausage link can pack 10 grams, raising LDL cholesterol and accelerating plaque buildup in arteries. For those with diabetes or hypertension, this is a triple threat. So why do we keep eating it? Convenience and tradition. That sausage patty at your local diner in Chicago or Atlanta is quick and familiar, but it's silently chipping away at your health. What to do instead? Swap for fresh, unprocessed meats. Check labels for nitrate-free or no preservatives. If you crave sausage flavor, try lean turkey or chicken sausages seasoned at home with herbs like sage or fennel. Small changes like this can mean the difference between a hospital visit and a decade of vitality. Number 3. Deli meats and processed cold cuts. Next up, deli meats and cold cuts. Ham, turkey, bologna, you name it. These are the go-to for quick sandwiches, from Miami delis to Seattle supermarkets. They seem harmless, but for seniors, they're a deceptive danger. Ultra-processing is the culprit. These meats are packed with sodium nitrite, artificial flavorings, sugars, and phosphates. Sodium nitrite, used to keep that pink color, forms Nitrosamines in your body increasing cancer risk. A 2021 study in the International Journal of Epidemiology followed 45,000 seniors across the US. Those eating deli meats 4 times a week had a 25% higher risk of heart failure and a 20% increased chance of premature death. The high sodium up to 1,000 mg per serving drives up blood pressure and causes swelling in ankles and legs. Sugars and phosphates disrupt blood sugar and kidney function, especially for those with diabetes. Worse processed meats are linked to cognitive decline. A 2020 neurology study found that regular deli meat consumption increased inflammation and microstrokes, impairing memory in seniors. That daily ham sandwich might be convenient, but it's a slow poison. What to do instead? Ditch the deli counter. Cook fresh chicken breast turkey or lean beef at home, slice it yourself, and store it for sandwiches. You'll skip the chemicals and cut your risk of heart disease and cognitive decline while keeping the flavor. Try seasoning with mustard or avocado for a healthy, tasty twist. Number 2. Deep-fried chicken. Who doesn't love crispy fried chicken? From southern kitchens in Georgia to fast food joints in Los Angeles, it's a comfort food classic. But for seniors, it's a health disaster. The problem lies in the frying process. Cheap oils, refined flour batters, and high heat create a toxic trio of trans fats, acrylamides, and advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These compounds trigger inflammation, damage arteries, and accelerate aging. A 2020 BMJ study tracked 110,000 women over 20 years. Those eating fried chicken weekly had a 14% higher risk of death from any cause and a 13% increased risk of heart-related death. For seniors over 60 with weaker hearts and kidneys, the risks are even higher. The oils, often soybean or corn, are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which inflame the body and raise blood pressure. The batter, made of white flour and sugar, spikes blood sugar and promotes belly fat, a key driver of type 2 diabetes. High-heat frying also produces acrylamides, which damage collagen in skin joints and blood vessels. Seniors who eat fried chicken regularly report sagging skin, achy joints, and higher stroke risk. What to do instead? Satisfy your craving with oven-baked or air-fried chicken. Use olive oil, herbs, and whole-grain breadcrumbs for crunch without the harm. Your arteries, joints, and energy levels will thank you. Number 1. Factory-farmed skinless chicken breast. This one's a shocker. Skinless chicken breast is marketed as the ultimate healthy meat, low-fat, high-protein, a staple in diets from Boston to San Diego. But for seniors, factory-farmed versions can do more harm than good. Most supermarket chicken comes from industrial farms where birds are fed GMO corn, soy, and antibiotics. A 2021 Consumer Reports test found 65% of chicken breasts contained antibiotic-resistant bacteria, a major threat to seniors' weaker immune systems. Skinless breasts lack healthy fats, depriving you of fat-soluble vitamins like D, E, and K, crucial for bones, brain, and inflammation control. A 2019 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study showed seniors eating skinless chicken 5 times a week had a 17% higher rate of muscle loss and frailty. The lack of variety also leads to deficiencies in zinc, B12, and collagen, causing joint pain and fatigue. Overcooking dry, bland chicken breasts spikes blood sugar, especially when paired with carbs like white rice. This monotony dominates senior diets, leaving you nutrient-starved. What to do instead? Choose pasture-raised or organic chicken, eat the skin in moderation, and rotate with thighs or drumsticks. Variety is key. Mix in other proteins to balance nutrients. Grill or bake with olive oil and spices for flavor and health. Why these meats matter? Now let's flip the script. The right meats can transform your health-rebuilding muscle, protecting your heart and sharpening your mind. These 4 meats, ranked from great to life-changing, are packed with nutrients tailored for seniors. Let's dive in and discover how to fuel your body for a vibrant, active life. Number 4. Grass-fed lamb. Grass-fed lamb isn't just for fancy dinners in Manhattan or Denver, it's a nutritional powerhouse for seniors. Unlike factory-farmed meats, grass-fed lamb is free of hormones and antibiotics. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, zinc and B12, supporting muscle retention, bone health and brain function. A 2021 nutrient study found seniors eating lamb twice weekly improved muscle strength by 24% and reduced inflammation by 16%. Omega-3s keep arteries flexible, lowering heart disease risk. Zinc and B12 boost immunity and red blood cell production, fighting fatigue. Choose cuts like shoulder or leg with some marbling trim excess fat after cooking. Roast or grill with rosemary and garlic to lock in nutrients. A few ounces a week can keep you strong and mobile, whether you're hiking in Colorado or gardening in Florida. Number 3. Pasture-raised duck. Duck might not be a staple in your Texas or Oregon kitchen, but it should be. Pasture-raised duck is loaded with iron, selenium, and healthy fats, perfect for heart health and energy. A 2020 Frontiers in Nutrition study showed seniors eating duck twice weekly improved cognitive function by 20% and reduced inflammation by 22%. The heme iron in duck prevents anemia, while its monounsaturated fats like those in olive oil support healthy cholesterol. Slow roast or pan-sear with the skin on for essential fatty acids. Pair with cherries or greens for a nutrient-packed meal. Duck's rich flavor makes healthy eating a joy. Number 2. Sardines with bones and skin. Sardines are a superfood hiding in plain sight. Available in every US grocery store, they're packed with calcium, vitamin D, omega-3s, and protein. A 2022 Journal of Nutrition, Health and Aging study found seniors eating sardines twice weekly improved bone density by 30% and lowered triglycerides by 33%. Low on the food chain, sardines are free of mercury and toxins. The bones and skin provide collagen and vitamin D, supporting joints and immunity. Eat them from the can, mash onto toast, or toss into salads with lemon and herbs. Affordable and versatile sardines are a must for longevity. Number 1. Grass-fed beef liver. Topping our list is grass-fed beef liver, a nutritional goldmine. Loaded with vitamin A, B12, iron, copper, and CoQ10, it fights fatigue, boosts memory, and strengthens immunity. A 2023 nutrients trial showed seniors eating 100 grams of liver twice weekly gained 45% more energy and 38% better memory scores. Choose grass-fed liver to avoid toxins. Soak in milk to soften the flavor and sauté with onions and herbs. Blend into chili or meatballs if the taste is strong. Pair with citrus for iron absorption. Liver is your ticket to a sharper mind and stronger body. There you have it, folks. The 4 meats sabotaging your health after 60, and the 4 that can rebuild your strength, protect your mind, and add vibrant years to your life. From avoiding processed pork sausages and deli meats to embracing nutrient-packed lamb, duck, sardines, and beef liver, every bite you choose matters. Here at Senior Health Today, we're passionate about helping you thrive, not just survive as you age. Based right here in the USA, we're committed to bringing you science-backed tips to keep you active, whether you're strolling through Central Park or enjoying a sunset in San Francisco. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps us reach more seniors like you. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Today and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video packed with life-changing health advice. We're posting new tips every week, to keep you strong, sharp, and healthy. Now we want to hear from you. In the comments below, share your story. Which meat on this list surprised you the most? And what's one change you're ready to make for your health? Maybe you're in Texas, cutting out fried chicken, or in Minnesota, trying sardines for the first time. Let us know. We're reading and replying to every comment. Your plate shapes your future. Make smart choices. And here's to thriving after 60. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.